Sullivan. I'm a former IRS agent and teaching instructor with Internal Revenue Service. I worked at IRS for a decade. I've been in private practice for 4 decades. Welcome to my YouTube channel. It's the home of the 5-minute or less video. I don't need to do any research. I just go ahead and let it rip. After 50 years, I should be able to have a whole team of former IRS agents. I've been on TV a lot. I'm contacted because of my many TV interviews, and you can find me and my team at 777irs.com, and you will learn all about us. I do these YouTube stations for 3 reasons: so you don't get ripped off. Number 2, you get inside information from an IRS perspective. And number 3, to educate you. One of the reasons people don't file tax returns is because they don't want to get caught and they think they're going to jail. So let me go ahead and dispel all that for you today. About 1/2 of my calls to me directly from this YouTube channel is that the number of people that haven't filed returns. IRS speculates there's about 20 million people that have not filed tax returns every year. So when you add that number up, now there's some duplication in that obviously, but when you add that up, it's a huge number. And what happens once the snowball goes and you don't file 1 year, don't file 2 years, don't file 3 years, it just runs and runs and runs. And people say, well, why bother to file this? Let me just deal with this internally, because I may in fact go to prison because I have not filed my tax returns. So I want to address those questions to you, that you need to just go ahead and file your tax returns. There's an easy and simple process to go ahead and get this done. There's streamlined processes. You can call us or your accountant, where you just pull IRS transcripts, or we do a tax reconstruction and get your returns filed, and just go ahead and work out a settlement with IRS. Settlements come in the way of offers and compromise, currently non-collectible, and payment plans. That's how you can go ahead and settle. You got to get over the fear. So the question then becomes, can I really go to prison for this? And if I owe tax debt, okay, can IRS also send me to prison? IRS is not going to send you to prison because you owe tax debt. There's no such thing as debtor's prison. You don't have to worry about that. Now, if you have failed a false tax return, there can be criminal charges, but to be honest, there's not enough jails and space and everything to send everyone to prison and jail because they haven't filed. 99.9% of you, that many, are safe. IRS, when they go after people, are looking for people that are involved in money laundering, drug cases, crypto cases, these really big, huge cases. The chances are, if you're listening to this video, I feel really safe to tell you you're not going to go nowhere, and just file your tax returns. Don't worry about going to prison. 99.9% of you are just haven't filed, and you're scared and you're worried. Don't worry about that. All you need to do is to get someone like myself or whoever you want, send in a power of attorney, start your tax returns, and get this behind you. But just remember, you're not going to go to prison. You can show them this video and told you you're not going to go to prison. The only time, once again, you could have issues if there's money laundering and criminal activity and felony stuff that is going on in your life that's criminal. Those are the only cases IRS is looking at, and they're usually looking at that in conjunction with cases with the DEA and other people like that. You're listening to my video, don't worry about it. Just get your tax returns filed. Stop being afraid. You're going to have to do that. IRS has hired all these agents. Only half of them, by the way, are going to be working these cases. So if you get a knock on the door, you want to go ahead and have these returns filed. If you have any questions, just give me a call. Don't worry, you're not going to prison. Just relax, stop the fear, make a call, and everything's going to be okay. Trust me, I've been doing this for 50 years. I know, okay? Anyway, if you like this video, please give me a subscription. That's big for me because YouTube values subscriptions. They think, people think you're kind of giving them right information. So if you do that, leave me a comment. I'm happy to get back with as many of you as I can, but Just relax. You're going to be okay. And thank you for the subscription. Thank you.